A 2D shape is symmetrical if you can draw a line through it and it looks exactly the same either side. This line is called a line of symmetry. Oh, that rather smug expression tells me that Square knows a thing or two about symmetry. So let's have a look then. 1. Vertically down the middle. 2. Horizontally across the middle. 3. Diagonally left to right. And 4. Diagonally right to left. Oh, very arty. An isosceles triangle has just 1. Rectangles have 2. And circles, well, they're an interesting one. Circles have endless lines of symmetry. As long as you go through the centre point, it's always symmetrical. Let's just do a few at random. Symmetry is said to be one of the things that humans find very attractive, but what do you think, guys? It's crunch time for the 3D crew, and who's going to take home the coveted and totally pointless prize of, most properties? Well, anyway, a 3D cube has 6 square faces. Edges? That's 12. Right, what about corners or vertices? That's the bits where the edges meet. 8. Oh, cube's really smashing this. Time for the mighty square-based pyramid. Let's go. Faces, 5. Edges, 8. And vertices, 5 again. Good try, pyramid, but cube's still in the lead. Finally, what about the sphere? So, faces, well, just the 1. Edges, 0. Vertices, none. Oh dear. Oh well. Oh, come on, don't be like that. Where you going? What a sore loser. These guys are 2D shapes, and 2D shapes are everywhere. Shapes have sides and corners and are completely flat, like a drawing on a piece of paper. Circles don't have corners and have got just one long, round side. Wheels, they're circles and are one of the most important inventions ever. Oof, and doesn't he know it? Triangles, like a slice of pizza and sandwiches. They've got 3 sides. Square, 4 equal sides. You see squares in the faces of a dice and cheese crackers. Oh. Rectangles, similar to squares, but have 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides. Books, TVs, postcards. Pentagons, 5 sides. You can see these in the black shapes in the patterns on a football. Hexagons, 6 sides. A honeycomb and the ends of pencils. Octagons, 8 sides. Stop signs on the side of the road, they're octagons. Bit rude. Morning! Tiling the floor? And what shaped tiles have you picked? Squares! That's a surprise. By putting the squares side to side like that, you can make a pattern. This is called tessellation. And now a pattern made of triangles. Who'd have thought? Tessellation needs the shape's edges to fit together with no gaps or overlaps. And I hate to be the one to say it, but what about those gaps that are left under the lines? Upside down triangles. Brilliant. Nice tessellation action. A circle, as is often the case, is the odd one out. Circles don't tessellate properly due to their shape, so you'll always have gaps. But hang on, who's this adorable little fella? Now it fits! Tessellation that uses 2 shapes like this is called irregular tessellation, but a lovely tessellation nevertheless. Nice one. Oh, he's cute, that one. A salt course. Brilliant. I love this stuff. But why the blindfold? Excellent. It's a team-building exercise in trust. So you have to get your friends to the other side of the beam, capture the flag and bring it back using directions and turns, with only these 2 as your guides. Feeling confident? Right then, 3 steps forward. Now you need to do a clockwise quarter turn. This means you must turn in the direction that the hands of a clock turn in. Now 3 steps forward. Right, grab the flag and do a half turn. Now take 3 steps to reach the midpoint. Yes, so that's 1 more anti-clockwise quarter turn to go. I saw that. You can't just turn the map. That's the trust out the window then.